I'm going to show you one of my favorite yet most simple kitchen tools. It's this 3-piece stainless steel kitchen tweezer set. You can see the size. These are extra long for getting into tight spaces, and I think they measure at 12 inches. There's 3 different styles here. I like that they're the stainless steel, but I like the black. If you can see this closely, we have a nice grip here. You can see that the tips are very nice. This one here has a different shape for getting down into nooks and crannies. And then this one has a little bit wider end on it. They all have this little grip here, and they are all dishwasher safe. What I really like using these for is if, say, you're making something, you're baking and you're decorating, you can use these to decorate and put little embellishments on your baking. You can also use them if you're grilling and you want to pick up the smaller vegetables. Also use them after you've cooked your meal and you want to plate it very pretty and you want something delicate. You want a very pretty plating, so you'll choose something delicate to put on the plate. This is for a lighter hand in plating your dishes. This is for a gentler hand in decorating your baked goods. These are awesome. Check it out. Thanks for watching.